Hello everybody! So most new BMWs come with a system called Digital Key, and it allows you to use your phone or a key card to access your vehicle even when you don't have your keys with you or you need to leave them behind for some purpose. And today I'm going to show you how to activate those systems so that they work on your phone as well as the key card. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we'll just go ahead and jump straight into this and start out with our key card. So what this is basically a small credit card shaped NFC card. This is a good way you actually know if you do have the digital key system, even though, like I said, most BMWs are going to have this. And we do have the M branding since we have the M Sport model. Some of them are going to be black with BMW branding. Nevertheless, the first way to activate this is pretty simple. You're just going to take this key card and come over here and just set it on your wireless phone charging pad. So as you can see, as soon as I stuck that down, it says inactive key has been detected, and you just click activate, and then there you go. Boom, look at that. Very easy. They've made this super simple, which is something I really appreciate. There's not 30,000 steps to activate this thing. Set it on the wireless phone charging pad, click activate. Now you can carry this around in your wallet, and this will let you into the vehicle. Let's also talk about how to do it with your phone. This is going to require just a little bit more steps, but it does allow you to keep the key local to your phone, and you can actually send this out to other people as well. So up to 5 additional people can have access to your car for a temporary basis, for example. So you can say, you can drive my car for a little while and then deactivate it later on. Stuff like that. It's very useful so that you don't have to be physically present or exchange those keys. Let's get into it. So to get started, I went ahead and pulled up the BMW app. So of course you've got, your vehicle status, all that usual fare of information. And then right here we have a little pop-up that says set up digital key because we have not done this yet. So I'm just going to tap on that. It says welcome, set up digital key. All right, to continue, you're going to need both keys. So went ahead and collected both Mason and I's individual sets of keys here. And that just confirms that you're the vehicle owner for security's sake, okay? Okay, and you just say, I am inside the car with both keys. Now, I do have a Galaxy phone, so you're going to see Samsung Wallet ask me for this information. Of course, this also works with the Apple Wallet as well. If you have an iPhone, I'm just going to click Continue. Alrighty, so now it's asking for a verification method. This is just going to be a biometric verification. So on this Galaxy phone, the most secure way is going to be my fingerprint. So I'm just going to scan that right there. And then, of course, you can set up a PIN as well. Alright, and finally, after all of that, we're now here at the part where we add it into the Samsung Wallet. And as you can see, this does kind of show you a little visualization of how this is going to work. You'll just walk up to the vehicle. You can tap your phone, which has NFC, against the door handle, and that's what's going to allow you to unlock the car and get inside the vehicle. And I'll demonstrate this in just a second. This is going to take a little while as it goes across there, activating the digital key on your phone once and for all. Alright, so now it's asking for a registration. This is going to require just placing your phone on that same wireless phone charging pad like we did earlier with the key card. And as you can see, it's now going through a pairing process. Again, these steps are really just for security. Obviously, you're going to want this to be very secure. This is access to your vehicle, so you can see everything's getting all activated in a very secure fashion, not just some rando can come into your car and set up a digital key. And as you can see, we've now been successful, so check that out. Success. Like to see it. Now, as we open it or pull it out of the thing there, you can see that it's now been added into the Samsung Wallet. Again, this does work with Apple Wallet as well, and you'll just have that in there for future reference. All right, now it's time to take it all together and demonstrate how it works. I've gotten rid of the keys, they're gone, and I just have my phone with me, so let's go ahead and see if we can get inside and drive off in our BMW here. All right, as you can see, I just tapped my phone against the door handle. We've now unlocked the door. And once we're inside of the vehicle, the way that you're going to start up the car is that you're going to take your phone and set it inside the wireless phone charging pad. So after I set that inside of the charging pad, I should be able to start up the vehicle. As you can see, we're now ready to drive off and enjoy our BMW totally key-free. So that's a pretty cool feature. And as you can see, it's overall not too difficult to activate, particularly that key card, super easy to activate, and activating your digital key is just going to require a couple steps and a few minutes of your time so that you can actually go key-free and once again share those keys with other people that you may want to share the car with as well. And it is worth noting the key card does operate exactly in the same fashion to touch the door handle and put it in the wireless phone charging pad for takeoff. But anyways, guys, I hope you found this to be a very useful video and helpful in your activation of BMW Digital Key on your BMW model. If you did, make sure to go down below, click the thumbs up, comment and say this is helpful, and click subscribe because we have lots of car content on this channel, not just related to BMWs and tech updates, but all kinds of models. Anyways, we'll see you next time.